And welcome to our port destination. Tama po ba? So this is part of Shimizu Island, but they have also a secret lagoon here. So secret lagoon, they have also a small wall. So just like one by one, we going inside. So you will make it some line. We going there. The secret lagoon is behind the corner. Okay. So you need to swim from here. If you are not a good swimmer, please we need to wear your life jacket and also water shoes, because the rocks here is just a little bit sharp. Okay. Then if you want to bring your GoPro or cell phone, it's possible. Inside is nice for picture. And also the water inside is so clear. That is not same the other lagoon. Because the original of Secret Lagoon, if we have a lot of people, we can touch the bottom. The water is not clear. It's brown. Because the water inside is stuck. Just like here. It's not deep. Okay?